Market was too busy. I took picture with this Galaxy phone. Wait, 1 second. Because I have no battery for this. I will take a picture. This one. I was very hungry. This.
1,000원에 1년에서 1,000만 원에 한 달에 100만 원이요?
Rice cake and fish cake with soup. That's yellow one is radish, pickled radish. Good evening, Coach. No one, on the street. Only cars, right? I walk, from there, dark area. To take a picture of a bus. Or take a, or bus, this, wait 1 second. I need to record for everything. Everything. This. Because I need to take a bus tomorrow. Let me see. Record everything. Yeah.
시내버스 인터벌이 조금 길은 게 하면
445인 거지?
사사오 안 간다니까. 316
이거 봐.
453.
26분 3분.
So it's still 24 minutes. Wow.
시간 찍어.
Have you heard of No? Is that YouTube channel?
25분
Oh, really? I never heard. Why foreigner know YouTube channel more than me? That's maybe Korean YouTube channel, right? It sounds like Korean, I guess. How you find the Korean YouTube channel more than me? Interesting. Yeah, my station from Seoul bus was tourist market. They give some options, right? They only drop people 6 stops. So I, get off from first place. They, go to even Jeju airport also. Actually, it was same as all other tourist market, that I went to before. Even Busan tourist market, same. So you know why? Usually traditional market was different, but Carbamont made some business before, like a cleaning tourist market, a cleaning traditional market. So they usually currently have all same system and shape. Even in Seoul, Busan, Jeju, all same. They on different thing is they sell like their own. They all difference is they sell different food like Jeju Island. This is Jeju Island. They selling a lot of tangerines, so many tangerines, and I got some like stuff, some gift from gift shop, and I will show you. There is an unboxing at home. So long for take a bus. I bought 2 tangerine stuff. Tangerine stuff. Special dish that uses tangerine. Like just all tangerine, like all boxed one. I can buy that in Busan also. Like tangerine snack, tangerine chocolate usually. 1 second. Oh, what's so late? Yes. Oh, Jeju tangerine actually tastes so good. Different. More fresh and it's just so good. More juicy. Tastes much better actually. Impressive. That's impressive. Even in Busan, when I try to buy tangerine, it's just random, hard to get super yummy tangerine, But in here, just every tangerine is yummy. Even bus driver said, oh, this year's tangerine farming was scuffed, so it's not sweet enough. So I tried. So good. I'm going back to my hotel. Only 14 minutes before bus. Yeah, too much rain and typhoon, especially this year. Change it tighter.
20분 있어야 된다는
White. Going back to hotel. Maybe all over the world has corona now, but at least the people keep just living as always. Not different. Only different thing is wearing mask. One second. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. In South Korea, when people don't wear mask, they can't go anywhere, because of government made new rules. So, can't go to restaurant, can't enter the supermarket, can't take a bus, train. So people have to. Not allowed to enter it.
교통이 불편해서 안 되겠어. 그지?
But when you take a picture, you can remove a little bit. Sometimes, few times. I don't like wearing mask,
316번
but it's new rules. New rules. Dun, dun.